Hi guys, I got Jody K here right now. We just got finished completing her installation. As you can see, it's in the background. The guys are still cleaning up. Jody, how do you feel about your project so far?
I am excited, and this could not come at a better time because I just got my FPL bill and it is not it. Don't want it. No.
Aye. Aye, aye. So what's your reasoning for wanting to go solar again? Because this is not your first system, right?
No, it's not. This is actually my third system with you. Sun State Eco has always had my back.
Yes.
But this is my third system, so I'm no newbie to this. But one, sustainability or climate change, you can see we're destroying the earth. But second, like saving me some money. FPL be robbing me blind. I can't have that. I have 2 kids and I want to ensure that they can live their best lives when they're at home, which means plugging in all their devices, having the TV, all 3 tablets running when they're watching none of it. But I want to be able to do that without having to say, oh, plug this out, turn that off, you know, and just being able to enjoy my home without having to worry.
This is true. And as you've seen the FPL side of it with your previous homes and other FPL bills, and you've seen that the energy has gone up significantly. It
has. It really has. And the solar system provides me a sense of stability, knowing what's coming every single month rather than having to worry of that fluctuation. So now my electricity bill gets pushed over to the fixed side of my budget.
Yes.
Because now when I do my monthly workings, I can be like, yeah, I know this is definitely what the bill is going to be. I don't have to worry about, am I going to have enough to cover this? Can I take that trip? Can I do this? No. Can I have visitors over? Can I have them like blasting things throughout the night? Absolutely. I am now comfortable.
And you don't have to worry about, you don't have to be a thermostat police one.
That part.
And you don't have to actually worry about how much it's going to cost you because you are on a consistent path of saving money.
Yep, and Florida has seen some of the hottest weather it has.
I'm sweating right now.
Yep.
I'm literally
My house stays on 68. Everybody comes and is like, I need a sweater. But like now I'm able to do that without worry. Like since I've moved in, my house has had to be on 70, which is uncomfortable for me. But now having my solar system, you can see the panels, and that's not even all. We got more on the back. So I am set up for gold.
Yes, for sure. And here's the thing, a lot of people don't know about this program, but the program that we took care of you for this particular project, how much did you come out of pocket with?
$0.
Did you take out a loan?
No, I did not.
Okay, how was the qualification process?
It was literally 5 minutes, no exaggeration. You came, we chatted for a bit, and you were like, boop, 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 beep, done, you're qualified. And I was like, no way, that's it.
And just so people know that we're not making this up, did I ask you for your social?
No.
Exactly.
You did not. The only thing I think I provided was a driver's license.
Yes. We take a look at the driver's license. We need to verify
that I am who I am.
Exactly. You know? But the process is very, very easy, guys.
Yeah.
There's a program right now. You don't need a loan to get solar. It's actually a bill swap program. You're just swapping one for the other. You have to pay your utilities. You have to pay for energy. How do you pay? That's completely up to you. But obviously, there's a beautiful program, as you can see. It works perfectly. We are in Florida. Just using your other system as the perfect example. How much were you paying FPL at your previous property?
Before the solar or after?
After the solar.
$20, which is just their rental box fee. We were overproducing every month, providing electricity back to the grid, actually. So
exactly.
We were doing the most.
So it's not a question of whether solar works or not. It's are you getting the right system? And that at Sun State Eco Home, we give you all the tips. We educate on how we design the system. We make sure that you know exactly what you are getting. And historically, I've been in the industry for 5 years now. And historically, all my clients have had the same experience.
And take it from me. Learn from me. Learn from me. Listen to your sales rep. Because the first time I got my solar system, Dwight said, hey, go with the picker. I was like, nah, I got this. I'm good. I had to call him a few months later and be like, I need more panels. And he's like, yep. So there was never any pressure. He goes at your pace, goes and tells you exactly what it is that you need, not an upsell. It's more of, hey, this is what's going to work based on your consumption. And this time around, I listened and I got all the extra panels I need. So
all
hopefully,
the bells and whistles.
Hopefully we'll be all good.
Yes, and it should be a problem.
Yeah, and it was a quick turnaround too.
Yeah. Depending on where you are, obviously this is going to be based on your particular area, but in this particular area in Florida, your turnaround is within a month.
Yep.
So fairly easy, seamless, and you're gonna save money. Now, if you are in the middle of looking for a solar contractor, we would love to give you some more information. We would love to help. Like I said, Exhibit A. This is not just somebody writing a review. This is somebody telling you this is our home, and she would like for you to actually look into getting some information from me as well. So, thank you guys. Talk to you soon. Out.
Okay.